world.
I don't know if it's like the best, but.
Best cookie in the world. Alright, you can come back in.
Hey guys! Taylor and Ellen here. We're back by popular demand.
In other words, we just wanted to make cookies again, and
Pretty
I'm
much.
home for Christmas, so.
So we decided to make another one of our favorites, which is peanut butter blossoms. So here we go.
Yay, peanut butter!
Alright, so now that we have all of our ingredients laid out here, the first step always when you're cooking, before you start mixing anything together, is that you want to preheat the oven so that can get going while you're mixing stuff together. So Taylor's going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 375.
Which, once again, is 190 degrees Celsius.
She knows all too well.
Whew, it's kind of a tricky step. Nailed it!
We'll open up our mixer here.
Our KitchenAid mixer,
KitchenAid.
which once
The
again,
best.
it's a great brand. We love KitchenAid.
We do.
We'd love them even more if they paid us.
Okay, so the first thing that we're going to put in is a half cup of sugar, of white sugar.
Then our tightly packed half a cup of
Okay, we're
brown sugar.
repacking it though, right? Like, look at
Look
that.
how beautiful that is.
That is a beautiful little half cup of. Okay, and that goes. All right.
Jinx. We only need one egg on this one, which once again I'm almost gonna drop it, but I
So
don't.
this was a really good hack pointed out by Taylor.
Yeah, I've learned because in our last video I was told that my hacks were just basic safety.
They were.
So I've learned how to create better life hacks.
This is an actual life hack, so you guys like can definitely.
So pay
use this
attention
one.
this time. This is what I've been doing for years. The container that you put the egg in, so you put in the egg. Now use the same container for the shortening. Personally, I like to use Crisco because it's my favorite brand.
Also, it's like one of the only kinds.
You put the shortening in the same container, and since you already had the egg in there, it just slips right out really easily. With shortening doesn't always do that because it's sticky, which is the whole point. But anyway, life hack.
So now we have the Crisco all dished up, and as you can see, it just kind of slides around in here. So we're just gonna dump that out.
Nice and easy.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
And then we will put the awkward. Then we'll put the peanut butter in.
Most important ingredient here is the peanut butter. Wow, KitchenAid just mixes up ingredients so well.
So smooth.
Ah!
Wait, this is fine.
My eyes! I can't see it.
Recipes will say that you want to mix up the wet ingredients first and then mix the dry ingredients in a separate bowl and then combine them. I guess I'm just like winging it on this, hoping that you're, but I didn't think that she'd be the same.
No.
I always just,
That's a waste of bowls.
It's a waste of bowls.
We only like to use 8 bowls when we bake. The extra
Exactly.
one is still a little too much.
it's just, yeah, one step too far. The next step then we'll add the flour in.
Which is, what is it?
It's 1 1/4 cups of flour.
A 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Also, like a normal person would like lift this up so that you can actually.
So I don't almost break this adorable bowl I only break out when we make YouTube videos. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Beautiful. Incorporate that all in. Good job scraping the side of that bowl. Yes. Work, girl. Yes. She's great at this job. We do have some cute little Hershey's Kisses that literally just fell. Cut!
I just scooped out, you can see it's just flat across in there, some cookie dough. So I'm gonna dump it out into my hand, roll it up into a nice ball. It's already practically in a ball in the scoop. Roll it around until it's nice and covered in sugar like that. And then you're gonna put it on the cookie sheet. So yeah, we're just gonna do this until, the recipe I think says that it'll make like 40 something cookies-ish.
You didn't really eat much cookie dough this time.
I mean any. I really only like chocolate chip cookie dough. Ooh. That's not, I don't know. I guess some people, but
I don't know how we've been friends for 15 years. And this
just the
little
dough.
fact didn't come to life.
Because
until
I think
this moment.
I need the crunch of the chocolate chip.
Alright, that's a pan. So now here begins the really important, timely step. You put these in the oven for me, it's about 9 minutes, of course. All ovens vary, but our oven is about 9 minutes. And it's really important that before you put them in the oven, you count how many are on the tray. So this is a great opportunity to use your math that you learn in school in real life. Yes, you do use math in real life. So here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5 is? You can do it. I put her on the spot. Good job, Ellen. All right, we've got 9 minutes to do this next step. However many cookies you have to unwrap that many Hershey's Kisses. And they need to be ready to go by the time those are done. I'll put the unwrapped Hershey's Kiss in just a plain old bowl. And thankfully,
as opposed to a special unwrapped Hershey's Kiss bowl.
Last one.
Okay, so she opened 20 in 4 minutes. So the time crunch is like not really as like severe.
But if you are a person who gets easily distracted, or
you're like not good at opening Hershey Kisses,
your fingers maybe aren't quite as nimble as mine are. This is a serious time crunch.
Okay.
Remember, life hack, use an oven mitt.
Okay, so there are the cookies. They just came out of the oven.
Fatal mistake, huh?
All right, so here we are. This is the time crunch. We panicked a little bit. We weren't ready for this. Taylor dropped a kiss on the cookie sheet, which is hot, obviously, and so it melted right away. But this is what you have to do. You just go, the cookies spread out a little bit, and you just stick the kiss right in the middle. You push it right. You don't want to push it all the way to the pan, but like you definitely want to stick it in there.
You need to do this fast because if you wait even just like a minute too long, they won't push in. It'll be too firm. Where'd my oven mitt go?
She lost her oven mitt, so now she can't use her own life hack. She's gonna have to use her hands. I like to just let them sit for a while to let it like finish up baking a little bit on the bottom because the pan is hot. In a few minutes, we'll give one a try here, but
in the meantime, we're on another time crunch. Another pan is in the oven. More
so
kisses
we have to open
unwrap.
up some kisses.
Tell
We
your
just
friends
love our
about it.
fans.
We love our fans so much. We would not be where we are today without our fans.
We're just really focused on providing you guys with some great content.
We're all about the content.
They eventually will, once they cool all the way, they'll be like a nice, you won't have to worry about them falling apart, but
they also taste the best when they're fresh out of the oven.
yeah.
Oh, I guess we started. So good.
Thanks for tuning in with us again, you guys. That's how you make peanut butter blossoms. These will be gone before you know it. These are so good. You guys, especially if you like peanut butter, if you like chocolate, this is a cookie for you.
I'll be home in a few months for summer break.
And I'm here always.
So we will definitely be making many more recipes. Once again, give us some suggestions if you have something that you want us to try. Of course, like always, give this video a thumbs up if you like chocolate and peanut butter too, or if you dislike us.
Oh.
Also comment and obviously subscribe. Comedic genius right here.
We'll grab the spatula out of the sink. Like a couple of classy ladies.
Classic 90s dance move.
Bye! Happy New Year!
See you in 6 months when I come home for summer break.